If your Oral-B IO toothbrush is showing a blinking yellow light, this is an important warning signal that requires your attention. This yellow light typically indicates a battery issue. It means your toothbrush has detected that the battery needs replacing, or there's a malfunction in the charging system. The yellow light serves as a warning that the battery capacity has dropped below 20% of its original capacity, or the charging circuit has detected irregularities. The intended lifespan of the lithium-ion battery is 3 to 5 years with proper use. However, some users report seeing this warning prematurely. Don't immediately assume total failure when you see the yellow light. The battery might still retain 60 to 70% functionality when the yellow light first appears. When your Oral-B IO toothbrush shows a blinking yellow light, start with these simple troubleshooting steps that often resolve the issue. First, try resetting your toothbrush. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to perform a complete system reset. Next, clean the charging contacts on both the toothbrush and charging base using a dry cloth to remove any debris or buildup. Try plugging the charging base into a different power outlet and ensure you're charging at room temperature for optimal battery performance. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, check if your toothbrush is still under warranty. Oral-B provides warranty coverage for battery-related issues. For out-of-warranty toothbrushes, professional repair services are available, typically costing between $80 and $120. As a last resort, you may need to consider purchasing a replacement toothbrush. However, explore all other options first to maximize your investment. To prevent future battery issues, optimize your charging habits. Avoid overcharging, charge at room temperature, and don't let the battery completely drain regularly.